So why wouldn't you make every living trust or every will a bypass trust will or a bypass trust living trust? And the reason is, well, first, it costs money. Adding a bypass trust to a will or a living trust can add a number of thousands of dollars to the cost of that particular document. So a lot of people, frankly, just don't want to spend the money. But a lot of people also don't need a bypass trust. In fact, the vast majority of people probably don't need a bypass trust, because you don't need a bypass trust unless the size of your estate is more than at least one of the estate tax exemptions. Estate tax exemption in 2011 is set to be $1 million. Well, if the estate of the married couple is less than $1 million, they probably don't need a bypass trust, because they're not going to be subject to estate taxes in any situation. You can use a bypass trust even if you're less than that amount, if you're really concerned about remarriage. If you're concerned about your spouse passing away, you remarry, or you're worried about you dying and your spouse remarrying, having a bypass trust in place allows you to make sure that the deceased portion of the estate is available to the survivor, but not available to your replacement. We use the term in our office, we can bimbo and gigolo-proof an estate with the use of a bypass trust. We can make sure that the new spouse doesn't get any of the deceased money, and what's left of the deceased money when the survivor passes away goes to the person that dies family the way they want to, not to a bimbo or a gigolo.